Everyone, it's me Tayeba. Welcome to my channel Speechify with Tayeba. So today we are gonna talk about something and I'm gonna share a solving idea about that problem. So let's go. Have you ever felt like you are not smart enough, or like everyone else has figured out, but you are still just pretending? And that is called imposter syndrome. And it's common than you think. Like if you're thinking that this is a very rare and you're having it for a lot of time, it's not that much rare. It's a common thing that we all have. And here is how you can fight it. I'm gonna share some tips or some recommendation you can do, and then you can have a solving thing about that. And the first thing first is stop comparing. Everyone is different, and if it's their body or it's their education system, if it's their mind, if it's their brain, even whatever it is, everything is brain for each person. So that's why you shouldn't compare. And why should you compare, man? You are good in your own way. Your journey is yours, not like others. So you shouldn't be worried about that at all. Yeah, first thing is done. Let's move on to the second thing. Do you know what that is? And that is speak kindly to yourself. What that mean? What do you think that mean? That means just be honest to yourself at first. And remember, you are not dumb, you are just learning. Like when you don't know a thing, it doesn't mean that you are a dumb person, a stupid, or anything like that. It's just you are new to this and you are learning about this. So have some self-respect to yourself. Don't talk bad about yourself to you. So no, you have to stop that and speak kindly to yourself. Number third is remember your wins. And some of you might think, what is that? Okay, let me make it clear. Bro, so let me tell you, big or small, win is a win. If you have won this, if it's a small sport, still you have won this. So a win is a win. You can't compare it with, oh, it's a small win, so you're just being ridiculous. Man, don't ever be like a bit of nasty like that. No, just be you, and a win is win. So don't be insecure about it. Yeah. And the thing is, if you're insecure about it, you're gonna be sad about it, like, oh. So don't be ridiculous and don't be sad. Like, why? Win is a win, and you have to admit it that you have won that. So do that. And at the last and the fourth number I have for you, that is talk it out. Talk it out. Sharing how you feel helps more than anything you think. Like anything. If you can share how you feel, like about what is going through your life, or you're not liking it, you don't like that. If you can talk about that, bro, you won. You can do anything. Anything is possible for you. So talk it out. But there is a quote say, fake it till you make it. So it's not like you are not faking it, you are just growing. And that's what school is about. And now some of you guys might think, why did I use the school word at the last? Because most of us teenagers, we do what? We face this syndrome, this imposter syndrome in school. Like you guys think that we are making it and faking it to others, that we are learning, we are growing, but we're not. We're still trying, right? So be grateful for that. And most of the time, as I said, it's from school for the teenagers. It's not just a video for teenagers, but it's like for most of the time, teenagers go through this a lot. So yeah, from the school. Yeah, I can feel it. I have gone through that a lot. So yeah, we are at the end. Follow for more tips to Speechify with Tayeba, or subscribe to my channel, Speechify with Tayeba, like, comment, and share. If you guys want a video about how can you express your feelings to everyone without being rude, comment down. I can make it if you guys want, or I will just make it because I think that you guys should know about that too. So yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye to everyone. Bye. Love you all.